RC Maniacs. So what's up, welcome back. Today we're having a look at a helicopter of all things. A little unexpected maybe, but they asked me if I wanted to give it a try and I thought why not. I haven't tried a helicopter since, I don't know, is it 10-15 years ago, the tiny coaxial or whatever they call them helicopters were super popular. The cheap ones from China, tiny with 2 sets of rotors. So this is pretty exciting, and this looks extremely scale. Real nice colored details to it. And this is the battery. Just pop it in here like that, and you charge this with a let's see if it how you did that. Sorry, can't really remember. Yeah, sorry, stupid. Here you got the charging port and the USB cable that is included. You also get some extra roller blades, and I think this is a tiny one for the rear, yes, as well as some tools. So yeah, this looks great. As I said, I don't know much about choppers. I usually stay on the ground or in some cases on the water, not much in the air, even though I've got a FPV drone here. And let's see here. Let's turn this thing off to show you guys. So you got a takeoff and landing button right there, and here you can control the speed. So it won't do anything because you will have to press that button right there. Sorry, maybe I can hold it like this and show you. Maybe not. Oh, sorry, turned off. Okay, so now you see the blinking lights, and let's turn on the, yes, you see. Now we press the takeoff button. You see you got some lights there. Whoa, let's turn this off. So you just have to press the button and it will land. And yeah, I will try to film this. It will be hard, I think. It's so tiny, but I will give it a shot and do my best. Let's see if I can take out the battery. Yes. So this looks nice, even just if you want to, as a display piece. So it's pretty cool. I'm not sure about scale, since I don't know much about choppers. I've got some info here. It's a 6-axis gyro and some other stuff that some of you probably know better than me what they mean. And it's called C186 apparently. So it's pretty cool. And this is the transmitter up close. So I'm not going to say much more about it since I don't know much about it, and yes, give this a little test flight, and yeah, somewhat excited. It'll be fun to see how it flies. case, I had a little test flight outdoors. Not great footage, I know. A bit windy, and didn't bring my what do you call it, the mount to mount the camera on my head, nor the transmitter, so I had to try to capture some footage without it, and that was kind of tricky. But I will try to make a better video soon, I promise. And just want to let you guys know what I think about it. And it's a lot of fun, super easy to fly. The scale detail on this thing is just amazing. Really like the little painted stuff there. So it looks really good. And as I said, super easy to fly. You have the takeoff and landing button right there, super easy, and feel kind of stable even though it's so small. I really enjoyed it. I tried it indoors with some extra weight added to it. I had a couple of Legos, one in each stand, no problem. There was a noticeable difference. So you did notice the extra weight, but it took off fairly easy anyways. And I really enjoyed it. Not a chopper guy, nor am I a plane guy, but it was fun, something different. And I will try to give you some better footage soon. And I am a complete novice, but I enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video a little bit at least.